If you have wondered what the difference is between the roles of a CEO and an MD, then you are not alone. They are both among the most senior and essential leaders at any organization. But there are some differences.
While this differs from organization to organization, a basic corporate hierarchy structure goes something like this. It begins with executives who work in a team under a manager. This manager is one among many others from different departments. Above the managers come the directors of the different departments. The vice presidents are in charge of those directors. After that comes the other C-suite executives who all report to the CEO. Then comes the managing director, who sometimes may even work alongside the CEO. And finally the board of directors.
Typically, a CEO is at the highest level of hierarchy at any organization. Their job includes overseeing all areas of the company, such as company policies, strategic goals, and the smooth functioning of different departments. They are also responsible for overseeing the duties of the other C-level executives, such as the COO, CTO, CFO, CMO, CIO, and more. On the other hand, a managing director's role varies depending on the company. In some cases, the MD functions above the CEO. In other cases, the MD and the CEO are at the same position and can also be the same person. And in yet other cases, the MD might report to the CEO. They might also report to, or be part of the board of directors. While the details of their responsibilities might change in all these cases, they are tasked with overlooking day-to-day business, daily processes, managers and other department heads, and liaising with the shareholders. In cases where the managing director reports to the CEO, they overlook the performance and responsibilities of the directors of different departments, such as the director of sales, operations, technology, marketing, and more. A CEO's role, regardless of the size of the company, involves the overall functioning of the company, developing company policies, establishing long-term strategic goals, making big decisions, representing the company internally and externally. While a managing director's role is dependent on the company, but usually their role involves the smooth functioning of daily processes, overseeing managers and other department heads, and liaising with the shareholders. There are many exceptions to the rule, but usually a CEO's job is to focus on the big picture of the company's success, while the